So, real quickly, all of us want our businesses to take off, and how they take off is by creating value. In our case, what we represented here is the volume of the balloon represents value. It starts with a need, either an unmet or a latent need or an identified need. And there are certain and the strength of the balloon, the strength of the skin of the balloon, is all around the process. And the process that we developed around extracting the most value from technology is discovery, understanding what the need is, but also what technologies are available, selection of those technologies, an iterative process, down selecting from those technologies to the ones we want to be able to use, adopt that technology, implement, and then it's an iterative process that we go through with again. Now the forces pushing out on the balloon is collaboration, both inside organizations and across organizations. The entire building team, everything from the owner to the architect firm, the builder, the contractor, and the manufacturers. That all pushes out. That's a force pushing out, expanding the volume of the balloon. But of course we have to live within the constraints which are pushing back in, which are the constraints around risk, lack of knowledge, cost, status quo, and time. But if the strength of our process, if our process is strong enough so that we have a very strong skin on the balloon, and the collaborative efforts, education, etc., is a great enough force exerting outward that increases the overall volume of the balloon and increases the value.
Okay. All right, so our question was, how do we offer the best customer experience? So in order to illustrate that, we have a skit for you.
Hi, Mr. Architect. Thanks for meeting with me today.
Good to see you.
Hi, Mr. Contractor. Thanks for meeting with me today.
Great to meet you. I've been dreaming about this project my whole career. I know exactly what you want, and I want to show you a project on North Michigan Avenue that looks just like what you need.
We can build it on time and under budget.
Ah, well, I heard about Millennium Park on South Michigan. Let's change direction a little bit and check that out first. Ooh, I like this bean. I'm seeing lots of inspiration for our project with this magical bean. Tell me about your ideas here. Can we make that work?
You change your expectations, but we can be flexible. We can still deliver the building you've always dreamed of.
The equation for a good customer experience is really straightforward. When performance exceeds expectations and it's coupled with a positive relationship, we can provide the best customer experience.
Better pressure one way. We thought the relationship was the membrane, the reflective, coating, but more flexible than what that could be doing. But the goal is the answer to the question is make the beam bigger.
Nice connection there. I like the connection and great images, both very organic images. Terrific, well done.